There's the ice skating. Was an ice factory. Hey Deirdre, what's that you're playing on?
Ice.
Ice. Where are we at?
Ice skating.
Ice skating ring. So the ice factory of Central Florida. We usually go to RDV this time of year, between Thanksgiving and just a little after the New Year, to go ahead and ice skate. It's mine and Deirdre tradition.
I just got ice in my shoe.
She just got ice in her shoe. So we're gonna go inside and see if we can skate. See what that looks like. You ready, Dee?
Don't get ice in your shoe.
Don't get ice in your shoe. All right, Dee. So for 24 bucks, we got our 2 people got in, and we got skates. So they got some, what, arcade machines. You want to test your luck? Vending machine. The concession stand. They got what, hot dogs, onion rings. They even serve beer. Nice little setup. Look, Dee, they got the little things you can push around. Well, you don't have to have one. There's plenty of guys, there's plenty of people over there that's just skating. Alright, for the kids that don't know how to ice skate, definitely recommend the Bobby. Which Bobby is the thing she's pushing ice. Looks like they're gonna play a basketball game, Deirdre. Are they able to use the bobbies? If you are, you want to do it? It'd be pretty cool. Let's see what he does. Oh! So, now this guy, he brought his bobby right up to it. Why don't you get up there and get in line? Get it, Dee? Nice try.
All right, we're gonna hit it.
Back up at it again, Dee. You got it. Close enough.
Close enough.
That's very nice.
I like your effort. See one?
There's some hands that clap.
Yeah,
That's very nice. Thank you. Do you think this thing was really worth it? Yeah? I think it was. You look like you're enjoying yourself out there with it. Well, that concludes today's video of the ice factory here in Central Florida. We typically go to the RDV, to the ice den, up in Altamont area, the Maitland, Altamont Springs area. We love it. Been there 4 years running. This year they were hosting a hockey game. Didn't get to go. So long story short, we were here. We had a lot of fun. Highly recommend it. If you're gonna come with the little ones, definitely get the Bobby. It was only 10 extra bucks, but she could ride it, she could push behind it. It made the day. It made the day a lot more enjoyable for us. So hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe. Really helps the channel out. So thanks everyone. Bye.